In this video, I am going to show you how you can set up an email catch-all for your Amazon arbitrage business so that you can get unlimited coupons for certain stores and websites. Welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, I'm Daniel and I'm a 27-year-old who has been a full-time Amazon retail and online arbitrage seller for over 4 years now, which has allowed me to do over $1 million in revenue every year while never working a traditional 9-to-5 in my life and still profiting more than 80% of Americans. Knowing firsthand how selling on Amazon can change your life, I have built a 100% free Amazon community with one goal in mind, and that is providing more value than any other Amazon group or community, where I have helped members like Jay get approved to sell Crayola, and Common get his account back after deactivation, and this member get approved to sell Kitchen, and so many more. So whether you are a new Amazon seller or a veteran Amazon seller, I promise you there is something of value that you can take away from my group and apply to your own business. So if you have not already done so, go ahead and join the free Amazon community linked both in the description below along with on my page. You'll be glad you did so. Now that all of that is out of the way, make sure you subscribe, like this video, turn on the bell notification so you never miss another one of my videos, and let's dive into how you can create an email catch-all for your Amazon arbitrage business. So here we are on squarespace.com, and this is the website we are going to be using to create an email domain so that we can get unlimited email addresses while staying organized, having all the emails sent to one parent email address. So if you do not already have an account, you're just going to go up top here and create an account, which is just your name and email address. But other than that, we're just going to go ahead up here to the top right corner and click find a domain and do this process together. So once you click find a domain, you're just going to be able to search for whatever you want here. So I'm just going to do something like my name, Daniel Amazon, and something that I will actually use since I am actually purchasing this domain. But once you search, you'll see that all these available domains pop up. So over here, I'm just going to select one that I like. So I'm actually going to do danielamazon.com for $12 a year. And I'm just going to click on this. And then you can see that they have a nice little upsell here trying to get me to buy more domains that have similar endings. But I'm just going to stick to the one domain for $12. So here I'm just going to go to continue to checkout. So once we click on continue and check out, this is the page that populates, and we're just going to click save and continue. Here you can see that you can change your term length if you want to, but it doesn't really lower the price at all. So I'm just going to do the 1 year plan for $12 right now, because no matter how many years you buy, you do only get the 1 year $8 discount. So again, I'm just going to do the 1 year and click save and continue. So on the next page, we just have to register with our name, our email, our phone number, our address, and all of that good stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and complete this information. You do the same, and I'll see you guys on the next page. So here, after you register your account, you see it brings up the billing address. So I'm just going to enter my billing information, and you do the same, and I'll see you guys on the next page. So once you enter your billing address, you see that you have to enter your payment information. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my card details. You enter your card details, and I'll see you guys on the next page again. So once I entered my payment details, there was one more page that you probably saw also if you're doing this process with me, just verifying our card and billing details. So I just click next, and this is the page that populated. And here you can see that our registration is processing. So we're just going to go ahead and click done. Once we click done, you can see that danielamazon.com is active, and these are just my other domains that I already have, but we're just going to go ahead and click on Daniel Amazon, and I'm going to show you how this process works. So here over on the left hand side, you can see that we can click email, and this is where we're going to want to go, and then email and email forwarding is going to pop up. And all we're going to want to do here is click add rule. So once we click add rule, this is where we are going to make our email address. So for now, I'm just going to make forwarded from Daniel@danielamazon.com. And this is going to go to my personal email address. So this is where I entered my email address, and this is where you would enter your email address. And this is just saying that Daniel@danielamazon.com email address is going to get forwarded to this. And this is exactly what we want. So we're just going to click save. So here you can see that I just went through and created some more email addresses, and you could do the same thing by just going ahead and click add rule. But now we are going to head over to dicksportinggoods.com so I can show you how this process would work as an example. So here we are on Dick's Sporting Goods, and if we scroll down here, you see that they have a 10% off welcome email. So what we would do here is enter the email domains and then hit sign up for each email address that we just created over on Squarespace. And then our email inbox would be flooded with 10% off coupons for Dick's Sporting Goods. goods, and you can do this exact process for any website that offers welcome coupons. So again, you can use this exact process for multiple websites, which will allow you to get unlimited coupons, resulting in your Amazon arbitrage profits increasing. If you have not done so already, make sure you join the 100% free Amazon community linked both in the description below along with on my page. And if you found any value in today's video, make sure you subscribe, like this video, turn on the bell notifications so you never miss another one of my videos, and I'll see you guys next time.